You can create whatever you want, or you can put your hands into something and it will actually flourish. For someone, you need to hear this. Yes, it's true, and you know what I'm talking to. But the only problem is you are not coming into the real form or the real space where you can create and manifest things. If there is a blockage, and that blockage is actively created by God because you are not actually taking His refuse. Once you start taking His refuse, um, you will see that God has planned something huge for you, something where things will be not limited to one space. It is not limited to one scope. It is just worldwide. It can go into different direction, and it can reach to different people. It can relate to foreign also, trading and all these things, and it will be huge and massive. So God is actually trying to tell you it will only manifest when you take my refuse, when you do things for your own self, or you do things for the divine himself. Because the work that you're about to do, it is going to connect people with their heart space. It's going to connect people with their soul and their soul purpose. And some people are actually they were in your life to put you down, to make you feel stupid, because they were giving you a training in some way. When this happens on a massive level, you don't even give an ear to what somebody else is saying. So God is saying, I was preparing you for rivalry, I was preparing you for competition, I was preparing you for everything which can happen after you achieve a right space. So once you have understood the whole drama and concept, you will not even give an eye to anything. And I think in the future you will be able to give justice to yourself, because whenever you feel the fear of chasing things, whenever you feel the fear of going after certain things that you really love, you feel like you are limited, you are trapped, something will not manifest. Divine is gonna take this away. Within 24 hours you will see the miracle. Because in the coming times, for the youth, or if you're a youngster, you will be out of a very bad relationship, or you will out of the confusion, you will be out of the parental trauma, you will be out of something that I'm craving for. You will be so strong in your emotions that you're not even craving for someone's presence in your life. And also, you're also somebody who is not moving with the slow speed. You are going full speed. And this time nobody is gonna be on the track, because you don't simply care about the track. So no place like home in the card of the imagine. God is telling you to bow down to me. Especially Mars is very significant here, so whoever is connected with Mars or Hanumanji is also very significant. So you can take his refuse, and then you can start doing some work. Or Sri Ram Chandraji is also here. So it's like God is actually telling you can be a huge support for people, and emotional strength, and all these things that can be questioned from somebody. I will be answering on the behalf of you only if you bow down to me. I will be working with you. So how he's telling you to bow down to you? He's telling you to just keep looking at me, or keep looking at your face, or keep looking at God's face. Why? Once you look at yourself and your face reflects the reflection of the God, how that happens? It happens with a lot of devotion. So it's like, whoever is your master, whoever is your God, if your face starts resembling like that, if you look at yourself and you feel like he and me, we are the one, when you start looking at this, he's saying then the work is done, then that work is completed. And when you don't have to beg for, you're not looking at the idol, you think like my God is within me, then only the work is going to be worship, and then only it is going to be fruitful for you. There is a person that you're concerned about, or the person is concerned about you. As a competitor, let's see who is in competition with you. This is actively played by divine, and this will continue for some time, and then it is going to end forever. So how it's going to continue for some time? You are going to choose a different path for yourself and for your happiness. And with this path, you will simply forget about whatever is happening. But one day, the fates will connect you someday, or I don't know. But it's simply like, or even after some days, or after some hours, also, you will see how things are so much connected. So, and that will be a real connection. So you have to see how things are unfolding. If there is a rivalry, or this very bad competition which is triggered by something, whoever is the third person in the story has to leave the connection, or has to leave the track, and they have already left the track. It's for their good, because they would be forced to do that. uh, but mostly I feel like with this reading, Listen to your intuition when it comes to a relationship. When you feel like something is impossible, why something feels impossible to you? Because the work that you have to put in to make it happen, you don't want to do the work because of this past or life trauma or your parental issues. What is that work that you feel like it's you have to do? Maybe you cannot have a beautiful bonding with a person, or you will not have a person that you choose, you cannot get married to that person, or it's simply like you are not in your right space to understand what I'm talking about. So what is the problem here? The problem is you have to be one with yourself, you have to be one with your intuition, you have to be one with your heart. How can you be that one? Once you start doing something that your heart calls out to do. When your heart is calling out for you to do something and you start chasing that thing, you will be one with that. And what is that? For some people it is little thing, for some people it's a great thing. And what is the great thing that you have to chase? I think it's about spirituality, or for some people it's about love and relationship. So there are two things that your heart is craving for. This can be two things that you are really in love with. And yeah, so you have to operate from that space, that my heart is craving for two different things, and I will go in two different directions with my full force. One direction I'm completely devoted, second direction I'm also completely devoted. And once I go with the full speed, I will see the difference. It will manifest quickly. Or it is just a one thing, but it is intervened in two different directions. Once you find your answer, you can give somebody else's their answers also.